Don't pretend you've tamed it. I can smell it on you. The heat that creeps beneath your calm. It's in that bat you swung at the driver who cut you off. The thought you had causing someone bodily harm. That finger you flipped to the world cause it pushes too hard. The revenge you wanted against someone doing you wrong. But what you call having control, I call denial. Wrath is patient. They don't need to scream to be heard. It festers. It feeds. It waits. And when it finally breaks loose, you'll call it justice. You'll call it passion. You'll call it necessary. But I know what it really is. It's the fire you've been dying to feel again. Do you want war? Do you want war? Huh? You really want war? Nah, I don't think you really want war. What if you are? Go get it. The war with yourself.